If you are first time on my channel, do subscribe us and don't forget to tap on notification bell icon. Hey guys, the people of internet, Nilay here from Vids for you. Today in this video, we show you the unboxing, camera performance and first impressions of Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Samsung On7 Prime available in two variants, one with 3GB RAM plus 32GB onboard storage which costs around 13,000 rupees, and another is with 4GB RAM plus 64GB onboard storage which costs about 15,000 rupees. Both storage supports expansion via microSD card up to 256GB. It's exclusively for Amazon India, and I will leave you the link to buy it in description so you guys can go and check it out. Here we have box on the outside. What you expect from Samsung device. It's a white box with Samsung branding, and here is a barcode. The device has two color options as black and gold. I have black color with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Here you can see the pre-installed apps like Samsung Mall app and other specs which we will discuss later on. And below that it has a Make for India mark. On the right side it has details about the box content, security label, and here it says Indian SIM card only. Don't worry, you can use international SIM card as well after using Indian SIM for the first 5 minutes. If you noticed, we have seen this design previously from Samsung on J7 Prime device, but the specs are a bit different here. Furthermore, well, that's a USB cable for data syncing and charging. No USB Type-C port here. It's a USB wall charger. This time it's a 5V and 1.5A charging, so you will not getting fast charging support. Moreover, the one thing is odd here. You don't get the earplugs in the box here. There is a SIM ejector on the back with quick guides which has a quick start, SR information, lock guide and a warranty information. Peeling out the plastic, it's a TFT panel but can stand out its own. Very good production and very wide viewing angle as you saw. Easy to use on a single handle. The top and bottom part made out of plastic, but the middle part of the panel is all metal. On the top there is nothing, while at the right you have power lock and unlock button and a speaker right there too. At the bottom you have primary microphone, micro USB slot as well as a 3.5mm audio jack. On the left side there is a SIM tray and volume key buttons. It's a dual SIM and has also a dedicated micro SD card slot. There is a 5.5-inch LCD display. Below there is a physical home button which also houses fingerprint sensor, which is good for certain people. On the front you get proximity sensor but no ambient light sensor, but you get notification LED though. On the side there is a multitasking and back button, but for those who like more modern design, this phone might not cut it. With this price bracket, other smartphones are going with 18:9 aspect ratio, but Samsung sticking with the standard 16:9 ratio on this device. On the hardware part, the phone powered by Exynos 7870 chipset with 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. For storage part, the system data is about 11GB and user available space is about 53GB. The On7 Prime runs on Samsung Exynos 8.5 based on Android Nougat operating system. This also includes split screen, multitasking and smart alerts. On the back there is a 13MP camera with LED flash, f1.9 aperture. On the front there is a 13MP camera which also able to capture 1080p video. Samsung has included features like face sticker filters and Samsung Mall integration. Overall camera quality is good. We have some test pictures at the end of this video. On the phone there is a 3300 mAh battery and just with simple charge with 5V and 1.5A. Samsung have some few pre-installed apps on this device like Facebook, Bixby, Samsung Pay Mini, also the Samsung Mall application. Let's check how it works. Searching, and it shows J7 Prime and other related products. It features a visual recognition, With the help of that, you can find the products as on the picture, which helps you to search on the go and select your favorite brand. Overall, the phone seems nice. The design and the feel of the phone is bit outdated, because we have seen so many phones with modern design and 18:9 ratio. Even launched recently, Samsung's A8 Plus has nice design though. If you guys are interested in details more about this phone, do comment on section below. Let us know what you would like to check out. If you like this video, and do hit like button and subscribe. This is Nilesh signing off. See you in next video.
Did